Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Learningbits. In the previous video we have learned factors which influence the growth and development. That comes under concept of growth and development. Now we shall learn some important points of stages of development. It is also known as stages of human lifespan. This topic also comes under concept of growth and development. Stages of human lifespan or stages of development. Psychologists have separated human lifespan into stages or periods and identified specific changes that may be expected during each stage. First one, it is parental stage. It is also known as prenatal stage. It is from conception to birth. Again, it is divided into germinal period, embryonic period, fetal period. Germinal period means first 2 weeks after conception. And next, embryonic period, it is from 2 weeks to 8 weeks. This period it is known as embryonic period. And next, fetal period, that is 9th week to birth. So from the 9th week to birth it is known as fetal period. And next, infancy. Infancy means the period from birth to 2 years. It is known as infancy. So in the infancy there are other stages. One, it is patronage. Patronage means the time of fetus emerges from the mother's body until the umbilical cord has been cut and tied. Next one, it is neonate. From the cutting of the cord to the end of the second week of the life, it is known as neonate. So patronage means the time of the fetus emerges from the mother's body until the umbilical cord has been cut and tied. Next one, neonate means from the cutting of the cord to the end of the second week of the life. Next stage, it is the babyhood. So for the clarification, I am saying infancy means from the birth to 2 years. So this infancy period, it is divided into parental stage, neonate stage and babyhood. So parental stage, it is also known as prenatal stage. So infancy, it is the period of birth to 2 years. So infancy again, it is divided into parental, it is also known as prenatal and neonate and babyhood. And parental means baby arriving from the mother's body up to cutting of the umbilical cord. This period it is known as parental or prenatal period. And neonate means after cutting of the umbilical cord to the end of the second week. So this period it is known as neonate period or neonate stage. And next, babyhood stage. It is from third week of the baby to the end of the second year of the baby. So this period it is known as babyhood stage. So babyhood stage means it is second week to the end of the second year of the life of the baby. And early childhood means from 3 years to 5 years. And late childhood from 6 years to 12 or 13 years for the girls and 6 years to 13 or 14 years for the boys. And adolescence period 13 years to 19 years. Adulthood 20 to 60 years. And old age means 61 years and above. Now we shall learn infancy. So infancy means birth to 2 years. So in the infancy we shall learn neonate stage. This stage is also called as adjustment period because new child or infant is supposed to adjust for biological mechanism like breathing, sucking, elimination and for temperature. Babies typically lose weight in the first few days after birth but will regain it as they learn to eat and get rid of excess fluid. Umbilical cord stump will dry up and fall off within 3 weeks, 1 to 3 weeks. Expected to sleep a large portion of the day, about 16 to 20 hours. Babyhood. End of the second week to the end of the second year of life. It is known as babyhood stage. So it means the starting of the third week to the 2 years of baby. It is known as babyhood period. Babyhood is often referred as critical period in the development of personality because at this time the foundations of the adult will be built. At the age of 3 months, baby recognizes mother and holding of his neck by his own. At the age of 4 months, the baby's weight has normally doubled. At 1 year, baby's weight increases 3 times as much as they are at birth. At the age of 2 years, it will be 4 times as much as they are at birth. Height. The baby measures at 4 months, baby measures 23 and 24 inches. At 1 year, baby measures 28 to 30 inches. 2 years, baby measures 32 to 34 inches. The average baby has 20 temporary teeth by the age of 1 and 16 by the age of 2. The last 4 of the temporary teeth usually erupt during the first year of early childhood. Early childhood means 2 to 5 years. By the age of 3 months, the eye muscles are well enough coordinated to see things clearly. All sense organs relating to touch, pressure, pain, and temperature are present in well developed form. Social smiling or smiling in response to the smile of other beings between the third or 4 months. Baby can able to roll over after completion of third month, sit without support at 7 months, grasping between 3 and 4 months, and picking up objects between 8 and 10 months. At the age of between 1 and 1.5 year, they can walk without any support. The communication of babies are mainly through pre-speech forms. So they are crying, babbling, gestures and emotional expressions. Emotional expressions means imitations. During babyhood stage, it means infancy stage, erupt moral development. Except moral development, all other development takes place in the process of mental development. Development in speech plays a key role. When comes to emotional development, during the stage infancy period, emotional feelings are very brief in nature. It means short duration. English word emotion has derived from a Latin word called as emovere, which means stirring up, that is movements in a body. At the age of 6 months, both pleasant and unpleasant further divides into painful or gainful. General excitement exits up to 3 months, and next month baby recognizes which is pleasant and unpleasant. So general excitement, it will exits in third month. So it is again divided into pleasant and unpleasant. So again unpleasant it is divided into, so after 6 months unpleasant it will divide into anger, fear, curiosity, crying and frustration. Here we have completed infancy stage. In the next video we shall learn about early childhood stage. So if this video is useful for you, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.